Experience it all. Experience the feeling. See it all. It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling right now.
So hi Mr. Nakul. Hi Shrikant. So tell us something about Eat More. Eat More Secunderabad started last year. Mr. Amar Ori, the executive director of Ori's group, started two new Eat More joints last year. There was a long-standing request of our customers who stay in this part of the city, Secunderabad. They always used to say, "Ki, sir, we have to go all the way to Bashir Bagh to have our special ice cream sundaes." So the company decided finally to expand this vertical last year. Well, Eat More carries a special status. It is crowned as one of the first ice cream parlor of its kind of Hyderabad. We regularly get customers who carry very old memories of Eat More. They share with us they used to go long back to Bashir Bagh to have their famous ice cream sundaes as well as chole bhaturas. Specialty of Eat More, I would say that I think it is one of its kind place in Hyderabad which is famous equally for ice cream sundaes as well as for delicious food. Our ice cream sundaes, Titanic, Awful, Tall Beauty, Tutti Frutti are loved among the ice cream lovers. Eat More is serving Hyderabad for more than 4 decades now, and it is also equally popular for its special chole bhaturas. I think it's a very special hangout place for food lovers. You can come with your family and friends, and you will find that there is something available for every member at Eat More. People who loves ice cream, they found it to be the best place for ice cream sundaes, and those who are feeling to have something authentic North Indian taste, then our chole bhatures are loved across the city. And of course we also serve pizzas, burgers, sandwich, and a good number of dishes along with our signature products. Like many other outlets of Ori's, which itself have become brands today, like Sai Barbecue, Nautanki Gali, Oppu, Mix Court, Gufa. Eat More is also a very special outlet of Ori's group, and its popularity has gone up year by year in the last 4 decades. We keep getting regularly our very old customers who keep coming to Eat More, and they share their memory of their childhood that they used to go to Eat More Bashir Bagh long back to have their favorite chole bhaturas and ice cream sundaes. So I think that is something which makes Eat More stand out to be a very special outlet in Hyderabad. At Ori's, food taste and quality both matters a lot to us. We always take care of customers' safety. All the ingredient what are being used in the food pass through a lot of quality tests before being used. We always maintain the highest level of sanitization and cleanliness in all our outlets, and I think that is the secret of Ori's success today. So guys, on behalf of Ori's Eat More Secunderabad team, I would request all the food lovers, please do visit Ori's Eat More Secunderabad at Basera and subscribe to the channel.